Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and this is Xtel, and I'm going to do a how to make a matcha smoothie or green tea smoothie. So it is inspired by the green tea frappuccino in Starbucks. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for my matcha smoothie. So first we need the milk, the matcha powder, I need ice, a thickened cream, I need the cream cheese, I need also the condensed milk, I also need white sugar. I'm going to use the NutriBullet 1200 series. So we're gonna put ice, maybe half. So guys, for the Hershey syrup, it's optional. That depends on you if you want to add syrup or not. But for me, on my part, I want to have a syrup on it. So after that, I'm going to put milk. So I'm going to pour the milk here. Add the matcha powder. And then sugar. Maybe 1 or 2 spoonfuls, and then going to add condensed milk or sweetened milk. So I already put 2 spoonfuls of condensed milk. Blend all together. Okay, we're finished. Tastes good. Let me pour here. This is how I'm going to make my Rocksalt and cheese. First is I'm going to open this thickened cream, pour maybe half, and put condensed. Put cream cheese. So 1. And then blend all together. Finished product of the Rocksalt and cheese, and we put some on top here. This is the time we're gonna use this Hershey's syrup. Ta-da! This is my finished product of my, excuse me,